My work had a fire, so I went home early. Just the fumes were messing with me. I already have a cough as is. I really didn't need to breathe that, and it got worse. So I'm gonna see what I can get done on the Impreza. Last night we got the front bumper on. It's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with it. I don't know if I showed you, but the interior is all on. Looking pretty good. Everything needs a dusting. I want to ditch these seats eventually and get some BRZ ones that are heated, just because they're way comfier and I don't need this to keep warm in the winter. What I want to do, the scrap yard, we got some 0405 taillights, but the bulbs are different. Well, the whole harness is different. I would think they would have used the same like plugs, but they did not. And even the pin connectors are different, so you can't just depin it. I'm probably gonna have to cut all the wires and resolder them all, which is fine. It's just kind of annoying, to be honest. So I'm just gonna pull out these real quick. It's not too hard. I think I showed it before. All right, we just took out the 2006 Impreza WAGON taillights. I believe they are the same if you have the WRX or the STi compared to the Impreza. The only difference from 2006 2007 is this gray right here. You can get chrome or the gray. I prefer the gray anyways, but over the chrome. But these are, I'm not a huge fan of them, to be honest. I think 0405 had a nicer year. But my favorite taillights actually come on the sedan. These are the closest things to it. These are definitely not in perfect shape. Like there's a little scuff right here, a little scuff, you know. They're not perfect, but they're not bad. And there's a dead spider in there. I paid like 22 bucks a light, so can't really complain. You would think for the swap, you could easily just unscrew the light bulb and put it in. That's not the case. Even the connectors, they are not the same, as you can tell. The screws for all of these are actually like the plastic screw things. They're all different sizes. And this one only has 3 notches around the bulb. I guess this one's 4. So what we're gonna have to do is cut these and then cut those and swap everything over. This has been done. I don't know anyone that has done it, but I know it's been done. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting everything wired. It's really not difficult. You just cut the connector, you know, show the wire, twist them together, solder it, heat shrink it, whatever. You're back in business. So it's probably gonna take me, I don't know, like an hour, hour and a half. So I'm gonna get to that. Once it's done, I guess I'll show you guys. All right, I just have it all kind of hacked together and kind of working. I like went through the wires just to see what was what. I'm gonna go through all the lights, show you guys how it works, and then I'll show you afterwards what I did for the wiring. Should we brake? Next we'll signal. And then put it in reverse. If you want to do this yourself, this is kind of how it works. So this is the plug from the 2006, and the wire over here is from the 2004 2005. This is what you're looking at. So all the blacks go together. Your blacks are your ground. That's fine. Your yellow go together. That's easy. Your green for the 06 with the white line goes to your red on the 04. Your red with the blue line on your 06 goes to the white with the red dot on the 04. Your solid green on the 06 goes to the green with the red dot on the 04. Not too bad. Heat shrink it so it looks good. I'll probably wrap this on electrical tape just to clean it up, just so it looks kind of OEM. And then call it a day and throw it all in, and then we got some nice looking lights. Alright, once everything is soldered, you want to line up all of your heat shrink just like that. Then you want to get this ready. And melt it all up. I'm going to finish this up by wrapping it up in some electrical tape. But before I do that, I got to do it to the other side just so it's easier and I don't have to go back and forth and figure out what's what. So I'm going to finish the other side and then throw these bad boys back in. Alright, both are done. They don't look too bad if I say so. I would say it'd be hard to tell they were modified. You would probably just assume that this was wrapped just to cover the rest of the cable, which is what I was going for. Now the fun part of putting it all back in and double checking it works. I know driver's side works, never checked the passenger, but I'm sure it's fine. So let's throw it all back together and another project done on the car. My honest opinion, I think it looks sick. I think it looks way better. These are a lot better. Night and day. Night and day. These, garbage. If you're unsure, the bulbs are the exact same from car to car, I'm pretty sure. And another thing, people that might think you can de-pin these, it will not work. You have to snip them off, solder it. The reason for this is the connector on the 04 taillights are a female, like the little pins are females. On the 06, the connector, which I don't have on me right now, is males, so just won't work. It'd be nice though if Subaru just kept the same clip, man. Like, come on, like, I guess I'll show you it all working. Yeah, that's a good idea. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to leave a like, comment, and as always, subscribe. Take it easy.